Musta. So I'm here for another review, and by this time I'll be reviewing about DC Comics Bishujo Statue of Batwoman. So arranged by Shunya Yamashita. So I'll be reviewing a DC action figure. So statue pala siya. So statue is different from um, just a mere action figure. And this is from Kotobukiya. So this is an original Kotobukiya. So I'm sorry kung dun sa ibang video I'm reviewing a different action figure. Okay, so here's how it looks like dito sa harap. Okay, si Batwoman. So dito sa gilid, Bishujo. Okay, Kotobukiya. Bishujo means beautiful woman yata o beautiful girl in Japanese. Okay, so ito yung likod niya. And here's another available Bishujo by Kotobukiya. So, Satana. And sa tabi. Okay. And then dito sa taas. Okay, sa ilalim. Okay, so buksan natin. Sa labas pa lang, talagang makikita mo na parang napakaganda talaga niya. Ooh. Okay, so ito yung tsura niya. Pag binuksan natin, wow. Wow. Look at that. Ang ganda niya. Ang kintab. So shiny. Yan. Kita nyo kung gaano siya kadetalye. Detalyado pala. Ganda niya. Oops. Okay. Ganda. So, it's Kotobukiya, so no question about its quality. So, may kasama siyang extrang head. So, yan. So, pwede mong palitan ng kanyang ulo. Okay. So, ganyan. Magiging itsura niya. But, parang mas gusto ko yung may mask. So, all in all, wala akong masabing hindi maganda. Wala akong makomment na hindi maganda. So, 5 out of 5 stars. So, good job for Kotobukiya for bringing out A very good statue of Batwoman. I'm not a fan of Batwoman, but when I saw this online, so talagang sabi ko, I got to have uh, um one of these. Kasi kung titingnan nyo talaga, wow, it looks very expensive. And it looks really nice. Yan. So, sa kanyang stand, may naka-emboss na Batwoman sa ilalim. So, naka-screw siya. Made in China again. Okay, so hit like kung nagustuhan ninyo. And subscribe kung gusto lang. Okay, bye. Salamat.